So let's say we were looking for, again, Richard Friedkin, his videos, and we know that his stuff is about wireless credit card processing. Now, that's of course different than a regular niche like a chiropractor, dentist, or attorney, or other professional. So we had to make it a little bit more specific. But if we search through all of these videos, and I'm just going to take you down, we can kind of go and see where we have wireless credit card processing. And I know the image, so I'm just going to navigate. But you can see we can search by the titles here, or we can search by the dates created. Hopefully they eventually add a search function up here, which is going to make it easier. But as I go, let's see if I can find something as it relates to Richard Friedkin. Okay, perfect. It's right here. So his two types of content, and I'm in the Animoto back office. He has two videos. Let's click on this information right here to see exactly what the title is. Best Wireless Credit Card Processing. So we know from this title we can copy this, copy, and we're going to go to Google now, and let's go to Google's homepage, and we're going to paste this particular title and see what comes up. Now, this is a very competitive term, Best Wireless Credit Card Processing. So, you know, on a chiropractor, dentist, or attorney, it's going to be much easier because I typically have the name after, Washington dentist, Dr. Joe Smith, or whoever the case may be. So, in his particular case, what we're going to do is we could type this in quotation marks to see if that makes a difference, and find his videos. And we can see that it's still, we're still having some, here's one of his listings down here, because that's, again, Richard Friedkin USB Swiper was his website. We got that from the super admin area. But let's go to videos right here. Click that. And Best Wireless Credit Card Processing. Okay, well now we're pulling up some videos. And again, I'm showing you this because this is a highly competitive search term, Best Wireless Credit Card Processing, in the video section. So you'll be able to find his videos and then point him out to this particular link up here. We could copy that link, and we could, of course, paste it into our report. And we can see that, he already has, several different videos that were indexed online because of us. So his content is growing, the system is working. And that's the same thing with any other person. I'll give you another example. And let's do, his other, let's see, click info for his other video, wireless credit card processing. That's another highly competitive keyword. So we could do the same thing. We could search in Google videos, but let's say if I just typed in, let's do one of these doctors that we already have. Frederick, Maryland chiropractor, Dr. Steve Diggles. We'll copy this. We'll go to Google's home, and we can actually paste this because it's very specific to him and to the area in Google's home search. And now this is going to bring back highly accurate results. We can see his dig. We can see here's his website, but here's another listing that we got for him on a social networking site or a social bookmarking. We can see some videos here. So now a press release, we can see many different types of content, including articles that he has on this particular page. And it's going to show us some videos. To be more specific, always, always, always on Google we search for quotation marks, and that will show us the exact title of the video, everything in this particular quotation. There we go. Now we're pulling up videos and also social bookmark listings. But again, this is proof that what we're doing actually works. So all we have to do really is to copy and paste this URL, this link, into his end of the month report and show him, here's where you can find your videos online. Here's where you can find your articles online. Here's where you can find your press release online. So again, their presence is building. The client feels more confident that we're doing the work. So hopefully this cleared some things up for you on just how to easily search online for different types of content. Again, we're using the super admin area to see which specific member, what we're doing. We're clicking on their profile. Let's say this is Dr. Casey Bearden. We'll see where he's from. He's from Nashville, Tennessee. And so I'm looking at, okay, he's from Nashville, Tennessee. He's a chiropractor, so I already know in the general area of where I'm going to be searching. Nashville, Tennessee chiropractor. Here's his website, and I would do the exact same thing. He's a newer client, so he's not going to have much, but I could go to the my AMS system where the articles are, and we could type in his name, and let's just see to see if anything was put in, because this was a recent order. Casey Bearden. And right now we see that currently he has 2 articles that are being created. There is a press release that's coming as well, but his stuff is pending because he's a new client. So the order for him was placed efficiently, which is what I like to see, through Gunter's system there. So again, it's going to give us the exact title of the article right here. And at the end, once the article is completed, we're going to be able to do a Google search in probably about a week after it's been indexed in Gunter's system, and then we can actually document the content.